Morning, folks.
Hello, good afternoon, everyone.
It's 1:22 on Wednesday. Jennifer's struggling to control Layla. Layla's got a scent she wants to track. So, quick update of where we are and what we've done. So we'll start with the outside, as always. New delivery of roof materials. Let me go back a bit. So Mike and the boys have started on the roof trusses. That's coming on quite well. So we need to order the sheet shortly. The gutter guy's coming in Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and he's going to do the gutters. Now along this side here, we did have wall and fence planned, but when we bought this lot, this wasn't here, and it's a residential area, so it's not really for industrial. So we basically decided to change this wall and fence for a complete wall, because I don't want to look at that every morning, to be honest. So the roof's coming on okay on the 20-footer. The guys are sanding down where they've made good the container. Alright, boys. Afternoon, guys. How we doing? Okay? We've welded the lock on, as you can see, so that's going to be pretty solid once it's finished. Plumbing again coming okay. We're going to have live water today, which is good. There's Layla. Mum checking her. Yeah, take away from that. Make sure you're wearing your masks, yes? So heading inside. So, afternoon, boys. Boys are installing the exhaust fans for the bathroom. Good afternoon, Long. Now, the exhaust fans are imperative to keep the air flowing. Long, we need to get this down, yeah? We need to take this down. Yeah. So the bulkhead's coming on okay. Side frame's alright. Don't stand on my board. So we believe the window guys are coming in on Thursday, tomorrow and Friday, to do the awning windows, which will be good. Get them closed out and we can start finishing off the rooms. The boys are just finishing off this bulkhead here. Once they've done that, then we can start putting the ceiling in. So very happy. How we doing? Okay? Okay, Ben?
will remove this.
Yeah, just cut the dangly bits off,
Yeah.
and then we'll reinstall. Okay. How we doing? Okay.
Yes, sir. You want the suspan here, sir?
Pardon?
Suspan, you go there.
Yes, no problem. Yeah, so pretty pleased the way things are going. Good afternoon, sir. How are you?
It's okay.
Just okay. You should be fantastic. You should be on top of the world. You should be singing songs while you're working. So we're very pleased the way the plumbers and the electricians are working regards productivity.